aspiring managers. Today, here at Nebraska Country Club, we're going to demonstrate the do's and don'ts of conducting a disciplinary meeting.
I don't know why he's not here. I told him 10 o'clock. I'm hoping he'll be here soon.
Okay.
Okay, well I have this little meeting thing I gotta do, so let me take care of this and I'll get back to you soon. Alright, talk to you later. Sorry about that, guys. I was running a little bit late.
No problem.
So, let's see, here for a disciplinary meeting, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I understand from this, so you've been taking some office supplies? Is that
no,
correct?
that's not me.
Oh, well, you're not Jim.
No, I'm Jessica.
Yeah,
Oh,
sorry,
okay.
I should have introduced you.
Yeah.
Jessica, this is David from HR.
Okay.
David, this is
Sorry.
Jessica.
Yeah, I think I brought the wrong paperwork here. Well, Dana, can you take it?
Yeah, I can take it over, no problem. Hopefully I have the right paperwork. So anyhow, you know why you're here, at least I think so. You've been tardy a few times, which you obviously know that. I just have here that you were late like last week, like 10 minutes, and then I have you just a few days ago, you being like 10 minutes late again. You know, obviously, I think that you know our policy on what everything is about that. I don't think I really need to explain
Can I
into
just
any
tell
details.
you why I've been late?
Sure, go ahead.
Dana, you got a phone call. It's your mom.
Will you tell her I'll call her right back?
Sure thing.
Okay, sorry about that.
It's
Go.
okay.
Well, oh, you were gonna explain yourself. Go ahead.
I just started taking classes on Mondays, and I come right from school to work. And with traffic, it's just really hard to get here on time.
Okay. And this is for Mondays, right?
Yeah, just Monday.
Just Mondays? Okay. Well, I mean, is there anything else that you think that you might be able to plan around, or is there a different day that you might be able to work or something?
Well, I could work Saturdays instead of Monday.
Saturdays instead of Mondays. Well, I do have down here on our schedules that Susie's the normal person who works on Saturdays. What you could do, I guess, is you could talk to her and see if maybe she'd be willing to switch. If she's not willing to switch, I mean, I guess we'll just have to play it by ear if that happens. What I could maybe start doing is on Monday scheduling you a half an hour later, but you'd be losing those hours, which probably you don't want. So go and talk to Susie about that first, see what she thinks, and then I guess after that we can just kind of see what happens. And then I did write you up before. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Oh, okay. I gave Jim the paperwork. That's the paperwork that he doesn't have.
My name is David, actually.
Oh, yeah, Jim's the other HR guy. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, so David.
Well, you look like you have it under control. Do you guys really need me here?
You know what? I'm just gonna wrap this up in like 2 seconds, and then we'll be done. Okay, so David has the first write-up that we gave of you. So, and I actually, of course, forgot the write-up that I was going to give you today. This is just the last one that I'll give you, just, you know, letting you know that you're late and all that jazz. So when I just sign this, and I'll type up something with that later. And then you can read it when you get it. I'll send you a copy of what I put together. But anyways, just make sure, just keep watching yourself on time. Talk to Susie, see what works out with that. If not, come back to me. We'll figure something out. And yeah, so go out to work. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, good seeing you.
Hi there, Jessica.
Hello.
Jessica, this is Dana. She's
Hi.
our human resource assistant. She'll be taking notes on the meeting today.
Okay.
And this is Bill. He's
Hi.
our
Hi.
human resource manager, and he'll be helping me conduct the disciplinary meeting. Thank you for giving us 10 minutes of your time. Did you get my email regarding the disciplinary meeting today?
Yes, this is because I've been late a couple of times.
Jessica, both your coworkers and your supervisors have observed you being late. Our records indicate that you have clocked in over 5 minutes late 4 days this month. On September 21st, you were 7 minutes late. On the 28th, you were 12 minutes late. On the 5th, we have you arriving at 8 minutes late. And this past Monday, the 12th, we have you clocking in at 14 minutes late. To your knowledge, are these records correct?
I'm afraid so.
Mandy and your other supervisors have informed me what a hard worker and a dedicated worker you are when you're here. Our goal is not to let you go, but to improve your tardiness problem. You've been given 2 verbal warnings and 1 written warning. Here at the Nebraska Country Club, we have a policy that states 5 unexcused absences in 1 year leads to termination. Because we are an equal opportunity employer, the same punishments must apply to all. Do you acknowledge that you're aware of this policy?
Yes, I've been informed.
Okay. Do you have any questions about it?
No, I don't.
Okay. Are there any mitigating circumstances that you'd like us to consider?
Well, I just started taking classes on Mondays, and I come right from class to work. And with traffic, sometimes I just can't make it here on time.
Okay. Thank you for that information. Well, we've noticed that all tardies have been on Mondays. Do you feel like a schedule change might be helpful for the situation?
I think that'd be really helpful. If maybe I could pick up Saturday and not work Mondays, I could make it on time every Saturday.
I feel like we could work that out without a problem.
I'm glad we came to this solution, but as you know from the email, we stated that a disciplinary action must still be given. Here we have your final write-up. The content states that you understand our policy and know the termination is the next step if the problem isn't resolved. I'll give you a moment to read it over, and then you can go ahead and sign if you agree. Okay, this time next month we're going to do a follow-up meeting with you and Mandy to see how the new schedule's working out for you and make sure we're going towards our goal of no tardies. If you have any further questions or comments about our meeting today or just in general, feel free to call or email me. Here's my card.
Well, thanks for meeting with us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you. I really am sorry I've been late. It will happen again.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time today. We hope that you have learned a few things that you can utilize in your next disciplinary meeting.